Hello, friends. Imagine a world where your prime minister is not just a leader but a divine being sent by God, worshipped in temples. Compared to ancient avatars, this is not a myth from epics. This is modern India under Narendra Modi. In today's videos, we are diving deep into one of the most alarming trends in Indian politics. Is Narendra Modi a god or has a cult of personality turned him into one? We will look at his own words, his supporters' wild claims, the temples built in his name, and the psychology behind it all. Friends, this is not just harmless flattery. This is threat to democracy itself. Stay with me. This is going to be eye-opening. Let's start at the beginning. How did we get there? Let's start at the beginning. How did we get here? Narendra Modi has always been a master of image building. From his early days in RSS to becoming Gujarat chief minister, he has crafted a persona of strength and devotion or destiny. But in the recent years, especially since 2014, this has escalated. Modi is not just a politician anymore. He has been portrayed as something superhuman. He is being portrayed as something superhuman. Remember, in Hinduism, avatars are divine incarnation like Ram or Krishna, sent to restore dharma. But now BJP leaders are applying this to Modi. Why? Because it elevates him above criticism. If he is God sent, questioning him is like questioning the divine. First, let's hear from Modi himself. In May 2024, Modi interview with NDTV during the heat of Lok Sabha election. Modi said, "I am convinced that Paramatma sent me for a purpose. Once that purpose is achieved, my work will be done." He went further. When my mother was alive, I used to believe I was born biologically. After she passed away, reflecting on my experiences, I was convinced that God had sent me. He claimed his energy is not from a biological body, but bestowed by God. He is an instrument guided by divine. Friends, this is not one off. In another interview, he reiterated, God has given me abilities, inspiration, and God intention for a purpose. And during the Ram Mandir inauguration in January 2024, Modi positioned himself as the chief patterns, performing rituals usually reserved for priests. He called himself an instrument of Lord Rama. This language is not accidental, it's a messianic claiming divine selection to lead India. But Modi did not invent but Modi did not invent this narrative alone. His party and supporters have been fueling it for years. Let's list some shocking examples. Back in 2018, Maharashtra BJP spokesperson tweeted, Honorable PM Narendra Modi ji is the 11th incarnation of Lord Vishnu. He even quoted the Bhagavad Gita, Yada Yada Hi Dharmasya. Whenever Dharma declines, an avatars appears to restore Dharma. Modi is the savior. In 2022, Madhya Pradesh BJP minister Kamal Patel called Modi an incarnation of God like Ram and Krishna, born to despair, born to end despair. Uttar Pradesh minister Upendra Tiwari echoed echoed this in 2021. Narendra Modi is not an ordinary person, he is the incarnation of God. And Gulab Devi, another UP minister, said in 2022 Modi is an avatar of God because when he wants people to get water, they get it. When he wants houses for the poor, they appear. Even Mukesh Ambani, India's richest man, praised Modi in 2024 as God sent PM Modi as Avatar Purush, a destined leader. In Odisha, during the 2024 election, Congress leader Malika Arjun Khagre mocked BJP for projecting Modi as the 11th avatar of Lord Vishnu, saying people would reject it. And who can forget Sambit Patra 2024 when he said Lord Jagannath is a devotee of PM Modi. a god worshipping a man. This flips religion on its head. Now the visuals, because words alone don't capture the absurdity. Supporters have built actual temples for Modi. In 2015 in Gujarat, Rajkot, a temple was inaugurated with Modi's statue, where people performed aartis and offered prayers. Modi publicly said he was appalled, but the temple stayed. In 2017, plans were announced for a grand Narendra Modi temple in Uttar Pradesh, Meerut, with 100-foot statue. In 2017, plans were announced for a grand
इसको
Narendra
क्या
Modi
कहूँगा
temple
मैं?
in Uttar Pradesh, Meerut, with 100-foot statue
वो
costing
शायद मुझसे
100
जोड़ने
crores.
के लिए
Daily
जिंदा
worship
रखा है
prayers twice a day. During Kawar
लेकिन
Yatra, Modi statue are
वो
placed
किसी संत
next to
परंपरा का
Lord
व्यक्ति
Shiva.
है।
Billboard for Ram Mandir featured Modi face
तो तब
as
मुझे
large
लगता
as
है
Ram.
कि शायद
In Ayodhya, the Ram Mandir built on the sites of
परमात्मा ने
demolished Babri
स्वयं ने
Masjid saw Modi as the star. He
मुझे
pushed priest aside, led the Pran Pratishtha
किसी
and was
काम के लिए
hailed
भेजा
as one who returned Lord Rama to his homeland. Friends,
और
search online
परमात्मा
and
ने भारत भूमि को
you will
चुना
find poster, cutouts and even
परमात्मा ने
small
मुझे
shrines
चुना
across India where Modi is
हर
worshipped
एक
like
प्रकार से मैं
deity.
अब
This is not fringe. It's mainstream BJP
सारे
culture.
बंधनों से
Why
मुक्त
is this
होकर
happening? Let's dig into psychology.
हर
Psychologist
काम को
Ashish Nandi interviewed Modi in
परमात्मा की
1990s for
पूजा समझ
research.
करके करता
After
था
hours, Nandi was shaken. In a 2002 essay, he described Modi as a
इसको क्या कहूँगा मैं?
classic clinical case of fascist. Nandi saw
वो
traits
शायद
of an
मुझसे जोड़ने के लिए जिंदा रखा
authoritarianism,
है
personality,
बिल्कुल
purity,
लेकिन
technical
वो
rigidity,
किसी संत
emotional
परंपरा का व्यक्ति है
constriction, fears of passion, massive ego,
तो तब
hiding
मुझे लगता
insecurity,
है
and fantasies of
कि
control.
शायद
This feeds a God
परमात्मा
complex
ने स्वयं
narcissism
ने
where one believes they are divine or
मुझे
infallible.
किसी
Psychoanalysts link
काम
it
के
to
लिए
the
भेजा
deep insecurity compensated by grandiosity. Articles
और
like Prime Minister
परमात्मा ने
Narendra
भारत
Modi
भूमि
God
को
Complex in the
चुना
Diplomat 2024 attribute
परमात्मा
it
ने
to the
मुझे चुना
psychopathy. BJP leaders
हर एक
flattery
प्रकार से
calling
मैं
him
अब
divine feeds his delusion.
सारे
Counter
बंधनों से
argument
विरक्त होकर
countercurrent.org 2024 calls it Narendra Modi
हर
authoritarianism and
काम को
God complex. His claims of non-biological
परमात्मा की
birth
पूजा
echo
समझ करके करता है
paranoid traits. Feminism in India 2024 compares it to the Hitler's 1923 biography where he was called Germany saviors like Jesus. Modi too invokes divinity to justify action, making criticism blasphemy. The Wire 2024 asks,
इसको
is
क्या
it a
कहूँगा मैं
ploy or genuine belief? Modi's cave meditation, fakir claims,
वो शायद
and
मुझसे
temple
जोड़ने के
visit
लिए जिंदा
suggest
रखा
a
है
lifelong image of
बिल्कुल
spiritual
लेकिन
superiority.
वो किसी संत परंपरा का व्यक्ति है
This is not new
तो
in
तब
the
मुझे लगता
history.
है
Leader cults have
कि शायद
destroyed nation. In North Korea, Kim Jong-un is portrayed
परमात्मा ने
as
स्वयं ने
godlike with the mandatory worship. Stalin
मुझे
in the USSR had a statue everywhere,
किसी
erasing
काम के लिए
critics.
भेजा है
Hitler was hailed as a messiah. His biography called him divine.
और
In India,
परमात्मा
even
ने
Indira
भारत
Gandhi
भूमि
had a
को
cult, but
चुना
nothing like this. Past PM
परमात्मा ने
like Nehru
मुझे
or
चुना
Vajpayee never claimed divinity.
हर एक प्रकार से
Nehru
मैं
said,
अब
I am a human being, not a god. Modi's
सारे
eras mark a
बंधनों से
shift
विरक्त
blurring
होकर
state and religion. Brill's a journal 2024 on
हर
political
काम
defecation
को
in Modi's India notes how
परमात्मा
populism
की
fuses
पूजा
religion
समझ
and
करके करता
politics,
हूँ
venerating leaders as divine to
बंगाल
demand
के
obedience.
तेज विकास का विश्वास दिलाने
The
आया
danger when a leader is God, democracy
आप
suffer, no
यहाँ
accountability. Mistakes like
भाजपा सरकार
demonetization or
बनाइए
farms laws are not
हम
questioned, they
मालदा
are
का
divine will. Polarization, Modi's
पश्चिम
instrument
बंगाल
of
का
alarm.
वो पुराना गौरव
Polarization, Modi's
फिर
instrument of
लौटाएंगे
alarm ties into Hindutva, justifying action
जो इंग्लिश
like
बाजार में
CAA
बिकता
or
था
riots as holy.
कालिया
Psychopathy
सट्टा
spread,
बिकता था
institution bends, media praises
साथियों
him, judge favors him,
यहाँ जब
businesses
भाजपा
denote
आएगी
Businesses donate
तब
via
मालदा
electoral
के
bonds.
किसानों
Society
और
divides.
नौजवानों के
Bhakt
लिए
worship blindly. Critics are
नए नए
anti-national. In
अवसर लेकर
2024
के
election, despite
आएंगे
divine claims, BJP lost majority. Voter
बंगाल
rejected the
के
cult.
तेज विकास का विश्वास दिलाने
But
आया
no, when Kangana Ranaut calls Modi a god
आप
or the
यहाँ
temple rises, it's
भाजपा
beyond culture,
सरकार
it's
बनाइए
manufactured devotion by a IT cell, coding
संभोग
media,
का
and rallies. Prashant Kishore
पश्चिम
warned
बंगाल
BJP
का
wants more than votes, they want
वो
ideological
पुराना
dominance,
गौरव
psychological control,
फिर लौट
worship
आएंगे
Modi or else. Friends, India is not a theocracy. Our
जो
constitution is
इंग्लिश
secular.
बाजार में
Leaders are
बिकता
elected,
था
not appointed. We need accountable
कालिया
PM like
चंपा
Manmohan
बिकता
Singh,
था
who faced press conference without
साथियों
claiming divinity.
यहाँ
Modi's
जब
cult risked
भाजपा
turning India into
आएगी
one man show, like
हम
Erdogan's
मालदा के
of
किसानों
Turkey
और नौजवानों
or
के लिए
Putin's of Russia. But
नए नए
hope exists.
अवसर लेकर
2024
के
result
आएंगे
showed voter prioritize issues
बात
over personality. Ex-user mock the God claims, calling for the psychiatric evaluation. So what can we do? Question everything, demands transparency, press conference, debates, vote for policies, not persons. Supports independent media exposing this. Remember, when said Gandhi once said, I am a man, not a saint. True leaders are humble, not divine. In conclusion, Narendra Modi is a skilled politician, but not a god. His claims and surrounding worship are symptoms of deeper issues. Authoritarian